Today we'll look over the conventions of factual media. There are three different types of media. Print, which is information in text form, like leaflets and posters. Audio-visual, that is information presented through audio or video, like documentaries. And finally, interactive, which is getting the audience to learn something by their choice, like websites. Firstly, let's look at two examples of conventions in print. The examples are magazine and the other is a newspaper. Both share something in common, one of which I will mention is headline. This is the title of the topic, mostly what the article will be talking about. The newspaper, I believe, is to let them know that they are talking about to possibly gain attention of readers, since it's bright and bold. I believe on that magazine attracts them the same way, however adding different colours to catch the audience's eye. What's different about the two is that the newspaper is formal when the magazine is informal. Formal is like a serious speech and is aimed towards a mature audience, when informal is the opposite, relaxed and more like a friendly chat to the audience. The newspaper does this because it wants its information to be taken seriously and seem real to the audience, while magazine wants the audience to relax while reading, making them more likely to carry on reading. Now let's look at two examples of conventions in audio, video. The examples are TV news and radio. Both news and radio share something in common, is that both are indirect. Indirect is when the presenter/narrator/voiceover don't talk to the audience, mainly not using words like you. Radio does not use it, but depending on their topic. For example, for competitions they will involve the audience and directly speak to them. News, I think, does this because they just want to inform and feel no need to acknowledge their existence. When radio does this to get the presenter to talk about their expert opinions to the audience. What's different about the two is that the TV news is authoritative, which means it's information more authority, when radio is information is informal. Hopefully it makes it relaxing and thinks to a person. News does this to make that fact seem real. Finally, let's look at two examples of conventions in interactive. The examples are two websites. TMZ is subjective in its website. This means the information is flourished by personal feelings. They do this because it makes the author seem more human than it says on the news anchor. Wiki, on the other hand, informs it more detached. This means a non-emotional approach to the information. This is most likely to make facts and feel that audience wants info than opinions. And Wiki is formal and TMZ is informal. This is most likely due to the audience. They both appeal to the information towards them. TM makes the information appeal to their target audience through gossip, when Wiki is for older people when looking for facts. That's all we have time for today. See you next week.